So today I'm covering the second hearing health resolution I think you should be making this year, and that is to have a hearing test. If you've never had a hearing test before, it's a good idea to get a baseline. It's quick and painless and easy to do. If you suspect a hearing loss, even more important, go ahead and get your hearing checked. And if you've had a hearing test before, but maybe it's been a while or it's been over a year, it's a good idea to go and see if there's been any changes. So visit a local audiologist for a hearing test. They'll be able to go over the results with you. If you don't want to go anywhere, I have an option for a clinically validated hearing screening online. I'll put the link for that in the description and the comments below. So take a look at that and get your hearing tested in 2023.